Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you will be fine. Dear students, we have read in the previous class about unit number 7 at page number up to page number 66. In the revision of the lesson, we have learned about the generosity of Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anha and the problems faced by the Muslims in Medina after the Hijrat. At page number 66, the last paragraph, I want to repeat the summary of that last paragraph, that when the Jew thought about the well and about the share purchased by Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he thought that he would earn a great deal, but he had not got any profit. So he learned a bitter lesson, and he told Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anha to buy the other half of the well as well. So Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu bought that well at whatever price the Jew asked, and he demanded. The well was dedicated as an endowment to the people of Medina, and this well exists in Medina even to this day, and it is known as Bahre Roma or Usman's well. Now dear students, at page number 67, we read about the whole lesson today in today's Zoom class. So the summary of that lesson is that during the days of Caliph Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha, famine had broken in Medina. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha was the caliph at that time, and he was greatly distressed. He did all he could to lessen the hardships of the people. All the food that was brought into Medina was purchased by Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and distributed among the people free of cost. One day, Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu learned that 1,000 camel load of flour belonging to Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anha had reached Medina. So he went straight to Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anha and offered him to buy the entire stock from him at 25% profit. So Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anha, however, turned down the offer by saying that he had another buyer who was offering him much more. So the Caliph Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha raised his offer up to 50%, but Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu declined. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu raised his offer up to 100%, but Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu had not agreed and said that he had a buyer who was offering him even more. So Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu offered to pay 3 times the price of the flour, then 4 times, and even 5 times. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala rejected all these offers. So Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu got angry and said, Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, why have you become so hard-hearted now, whereas you used to be generous in the days of the Caliph? The Holy Prophet, in the days of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam days, you will be a generous personality. So he answered that he was only doing business and he would sell his goods to the one who would give him the greatest profit. It was just a business. So the Caliph raised his offer higher and higher until he was willing to pay 9 times the price of the floor as profit. Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu then stood up calmly and he said, Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, that he had sold already his stock and the buyer was Allah, who had promised to pay him at least 10 times the price as profit and might rise it to 70 or even 700 times. So Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu told Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, go and distribute the floor among the people in the name of Allah. So the Caliph was so touched by the generosity of Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu that he wept. He then embraced him and begged forgiveness for the harsh words he had used earlier. Then it was distributed among the people happily and generously. So that was the lesson, dear student. I am going to translate this lesson little bit in your own language. Dear students, इस लेसन में पेज नंबर 67 पे इसकी खुलासा सा मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बयान करता हूँ कि हज़रत उमर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु चूँकि खलीफा थे और उनके दिनों में अरब में जो है वो कहत फूट गया और हज़रत उमर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु बहुत परेशान हो गए। हालांकि उन्होंने अपने लोगों की बोझ को, उनकी मुश्किलात को कम करने के लिए जो कुछ वो कर सकते थे उन्होंने किया। जितनी भी खुराक उन दिनों में मदीना लाई जाती वो बैतुल माल के लिए वो खलीफा ख़रीद लेते, हज़रत उमर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु ख़रीद लेते और लोगों में मुफ्त तकसीम करते। तो एक दिन उनको पता चला कि 1000 ऊँट आटे से लदे हुए 1000 ऊँट जो हैं वो हज़रत उस्मान रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु के मदीना पहुँचे हैं। तो वो सीधा हज़रत उस्मान रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु के पास गए और उन्हें 25% मुनाफे से वो तमाम माल ख़रीदने की पेशकश कर दी। तो हज़रत उस्मान रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु ने वो पेशकश ठुकरा दी कि मेरे पास एक ऐसा ख़रीदार है जो मुझे इससे ज़्यादा देता है। तो हज़रत उमर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु ने उन्हें 50% ज़्यादा मुनाफे से ख़रीदने की पेशकश की। फिर भी हज़रत उस्मान रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु ने उसका इनकार किया। जब उन्होंने अपनी मुनाफा जो है वो हज़रत उमर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला ने 100% कर दिया तो भी उन्होंने इसको कबूल नहीं किया और हज़रत उस्मान रज़ियल्लाहु ताला ने फरमाया कि मेरे पास एक ऐसा ख़रीदार है जो मुझे इससे भी ज़्यादा की पेशकश कर रहा है। तो बस वो फिर जो है उन्होंने अपनी ऑफ़र जो है वो बढ़ाते गए और इवन कि वो बहुत जो है अपना उन्होंने 500% तक भी बढ़ा दिया, लेकिन उन्होंने इनकार किया और फिर वो खामोशी से खड़े हुए। हज़रत उस्मान रज़ियल्लाहु ताला उन्होंने फरमाया कि हज़रत उमर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला मैं ये अपना सामान जो है, अपना माल ये पहले ही बेच चुका हूँ और इसका ख़रीदार जो है वो अल्लाह ताला है। अब जिसने मुझे इसका जो है वो 700 गुना तक जो है वो मुनाफा देने की पेशकश वादा किया है। अब जाओ और ये सामान जो है ये तमाम अल्लाह की राह में बेच दो, अल्लाह की राह में भेज के लोगों में मुफ्त तकसीम कर दो। और फिर हज़रत जो हैं उस उमर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु वो बहुत वो जो हैं इनसे मुतासिर हुए कि वो रो पड़े और फिर उन्होंने बड़ी सखावत से ये सामान लोगों में तकसीम किया। सो दैट वाज द होल लेसन डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।